Say hello to the new USB-TC, the attachable heating device for Ocean Optics USB 4000 and USB 2000 Plus miniature spectrometers. The USB-TC attaches directly to your spectrometer's optical bench and maintains a pre-selected temperature, providing accurate optical alignment and improved thermal wavelength stability in your measurements. The USB-TC is available with pre-selected set point temperatures from 25 to 55 degrees Celsius and comes with a 12-volt power supply. It's an excellent choice for applications such as LED manufacturing, where thermal wavelength stability is critical to repeatable results. The USB 2000 Plus and USB 4000 spectrometers from Ocean Optics are among the most popular in the world. They feature a small footprint and high-speed CCD array design that is ideal for a wide range of applications. The USB-TC is available with new spectrometer purchases or as a retrofit option for existing customers. To find out more, visit us online at oceanoptics.com. Click the Spectrometers tab on the left-hand side for more information on the USB-TC and other miniature spectrometer solutions from Ocean Optics.